If your hair looks like a bird's nest in winter, you're not alone. Let's fix that with a simple egg mask. Winter can be brutal on your hair, leaving it dry and frizzy. But don't worry, we've got the perfect solution. An egg mask that deeply nourishes and moisturizes your hair. Ready to dive in? First, let's gather the ingredients. You'll need 1 egg, 2 if your hair is long, 2 tablespoons of olive oil or coconut oil, 1 tablespoon of honey, and a few drops of essential oil like lavender to mask the egg smell. Now crack the egg into a bowl and whisk it well. Add the olive oil and honey, mixing thoroughly. If you're using essential oil, add a few drops now. To apply, divide your hair into sections for easy coverage. Use your fingers or a brush to apply the mask from roots to tips. Pop on a shower cap to avoid drips and retain heat. Leave the mask on for 30-40 minutes, then rinse it off with a mild shampoo and cool or lukewarm water. No hot water, or you'll end up with scrambled eggs in your hair. So what's in it for you? The egg's protein strengthens your hair, olive oil deeply hydrates, honey locks in moisture, and the essential oil adds a lovely fragrance. Use this mask once a week during winter and say hello to soft, shiny and healthy hair. Give it a try and let your hair shine all winter long.